The life cycle of the axolotl is highly exceptional compared to other amphibians like the frog, and its most distinguishing characteristic is neoteny. Typically, amphibians undergo metamorphosis, transforming from an aquatic larva to a fully developed land-dwelling adult. However, the axolotl usually does not undergo this transformation. Here are the main stages of its life cycle discussed in the video. Egg stage. Reproduction. The male axolotl deposits sperm packets called spermatophores on aquatic plants. The female axolotl collects them and lays eggs. Egg laying. A female axolotl can typically lay between 400 and 700 eggs, which adhere to aquatic plants or rocks. Duration. It generally takes about 10 to 14 days for the eggs to hatch. Larva, baby axolotl. The newly hatched young are very small, about 1 centimeter, and look somewhat like small larvae or tadpoles, but they already have legs. From this stage, they exhibit external gills on the outside of their body, which look like flowers or feathers. Neoteny adult. Even after reaching full development from the larval stage, the axolotl retains its larval characteristics. This is neoteny. Key characteristics. They remain entirely in the water. They do not move on to land as adults. They possess external gills through which they breathe oxygen from the water. They have a fin-like structure on their tail, similar to a fish. Maturity. Axolotls become sexually mature and capable of reproduction at about 12 to 18 months of age. They participate in the breeding cycle from this time. Lifespan. In favorable environments, they typically live for 10 to 15 years. Metamorphosis, a rare exception. Although axolotls generally do not undergo metamorphosis, they can do so in very rare circumstances. Artificially, if hormones like iodine or thyroxine are added to their water, they can be forced to undergo transformation. Naturally, sometimes due to severe environmental changes, such as a significant drop in water level, they may undergo partial or complete transformation. A metamorphosized axolotl resembles other salamanders. It loses its gills, begins breathing through lungs, and moves to a terrestrial or land-based life. However, in this state, they generally have a shorter lifespan than the neoteny axolotls. This animal is highly important to scientists because of its regeneration power, the ability to regrow severed limbs and body parts. Would you like to know more details about any part of the axolotl's life cycle? Then let me know in the comments. And to get more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.